My name is Lauren Reese, and it's Flyer Monday. Looking for events to go to? Check out these BGSU events. Attend the virtual Gerrymandering and a Time of Redistricting event hosted by BGSU Votes on Monday, April 5th from 8 to 9 p.m. Tune in to hear keynote speaker, LinkedIn top voice in technology, science show host, and STEM educator Justin Shaifer on Tuesday, April 6th at 7:15 p.m. Find the Zoom link on the event calendar. Take a tour of the BGSU Greenhouse on Tuesday, April 6th from 11 to 1 p.m. Registration is required. Participate in Springo, an event hosted by the Resident Student Association from 7 to 9 p.m. in the multipurpose room in the Student Union. Win bingo prizes and build friendships. Tune in and watch the film No Place to Grow on Wednesday, April 7th. The film follows a group of Latinx farmers who are attempting to save green space in Santa Cruz, California. Get free HIV testing on Wednesday, April 7th from 10:30 to 2:30 p.m. at the Student Recreation Center. It's time to focus on mental health. Participate in the mental health event on Thursday, April 8th from 6 to 10 p.m. The purpose of this event is to focus on mental health through fun activities and engagement. Do you enjoy painting? If so, then you may want to attend the virtual paint social on Thursday, April 8th from 7 to 8 p.m. Fill out the form on the event calendar to receive your wrapped painting supplies. The BGSU Public and Allied Health Symposium will be hosted on Friday, April 9th from 8:45 to 12:45 p.m. This virtual event requires registration. Registration closes on Monday, April 5th. You won't want to miss these events. Stay up to date on all the events happening on campus by tuning in to Flyer Monday videos every Monday.